I would like to start today by thanking the countless volunteers, clerks, election officials, members of the National Guard, and voters who made Tuesday's election such a great success. Whether folks voted in person or by mail, local election officials and volunteers worked diligently and thoughtfully to ensure that every Wisconsinite was able to make sure that their vote was counted and their voices were heard safely. In support of these efforts, nearly 700 citizens, soldiers, and airmen of the National Guard supported polling places in 40 counties across Wisconsin. And that's in addition to the nearly 1,100 members already mobilized in our COVID-19 response efforts. I'm incredibly grateful to all the folks who pitched in to make sure democracy prevailed even during these unprecedented and challenging times. That said, the November general election will be here before you know it. So make sure to make a plan to vote and request your absentee ballot by myvote.wisconsin.gov. Unfortunately, however, on Tuesday we also hit another mark in this pandemic. It is with heavy heart that we announced that in just over 6 months, Wisconsin's COVID-19 death toll has surpassed 1,000 people. Even one death from COVID-19 is one too many. This is a devastating milestone, and every corner of Wisconsin has felt the tragic impact of this virus, as 52 of Wisconsin's 72 counties have reported at least one COVID-19 death. We also know this virus has a disproportionate impact on communities of color, with Black, Latinx, and Indigenous Wisconsinites having higher rates of COVID-19 infections and deaths. The infection rate for Latinx Wisconsinites is over 5 times that of white Wisconsinites, and Black Wisconsinites are experiencing a death rate over 4 times higher than their white counterparts. To all the Wisconsinites dealing with the loss of a family member, friend, a coworker, or a neighbor, I express my deepest condolences. Know that our hearts and thoughts are with you, and we are going to continue doing everything we can to fight this virus that has already taken the lives of so many people across the state.